Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with WeQueen hair. First time trying out a wig from WeQueen. So inside the cover here says something. It says affordable beginner friendly wigs, WeQueen. Okay, all right, cool. So no, this is not a headband wig today, but this is what I got in my package. I got a wig cap, I got a drawstring bag branded WeQueen. I got like a hair care card, basically. It's always good that they put these in the packages. We have the wig. So this is actually a T-part lace front wig. So let me show you what I mean by that. So like a side part too, it's not a center part. So as you can see, the parting is lace. It's a lace part wig, like a T lace part wig, and that's how it looks. It doesn't have lace, right? It does have lace like to right there, but it's not like right across like your regular lace front wig. So this is an easy wig. Right off the back, you know that this is a like throw on and go wig. You don't have to sit down and be like using adhesive and stuff to get it to look right on your head, and we're gonna put that to the test in a few. So this is the construction of the wig. Basically, it has 3 combs in total, adjustable straps, and it just has some extra lace here in the front. It is already bleached, as I can see, and this is the color we're working with. I'm going to put all the specifications on this, the density, the length, everything down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. So let's go ahead and put this to the test and see how easy it actually is to put on. It does actually have like an inch of hair here in the front if you wanted to like conceal this part. Like this part, you don't necessarily want it to show like at the front of your wig, so they did put like a little piece in front of that with the lace portion. The one thing that I wish was different was that the parting would have been on this side, because I never wear my hair on this side. So it was really easy to go on. I use the comb, stick it in my braid. So I feel like I might need to go in and tweeze this parting a little bit more. It does look bulky. And then along with that, I like use my mousse, and I'm gonna get it wet and stuff. Went ahead, I got it wet, and this is how it's looking. Literally no adhesive at all. Really like an easy wig. Okay, as I said, you saw the construction and everything, but as you can see, it's processed, it's colored and stuff. So bear in mind that you will get some shedding if you decide to go ahead and get this wig. I did get a little bit of shedding. All hair shed, all wig shed, all bundles shed. It's inevitable, but like, yeah, so that's one thing to put out there. If you're looking for convenience, I feel like definitely this is a very convenient wig. If you want to go ahead and dress it up, then you could do something like a headband around it. Like, say for instance, you want to probably push it back. So remember, there's no adhesive, so I'm going to like push it back right now. I'm gonna push it back like that, and then I'm gonna put on a headband. So I put that headband on to conceal it. So yeah, if you want to conceal all of that and you don't necessarily want to, like, you know, have it in the parting, You could throw a headband around it and you could rock it like this. You know, it's super convenient and stuff like that. So let me know what you think. Another easy wig. I'm always trying to give you guys all the little hacks, you know, all the little convenient routes with still keeping it cute. So I hope you guys can appreciate that. I'm going to put all the specifications on this wig down below in the description box. WeQueen, big up on yourself. If you're into like these type of color, if you want to go blonde but not too blonde, but or you just want to dabble in a bit of color, I feel like this is pretty. It's still conservative. It's not like super out there. It's not super bold. At least that's what I think. That's just my opinion. You know, if this was an informative video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. If you're interested in a wig, you can check it out. The direct link to the wig will be down below in my description box. Any available discount codes, if there's any, will be in the description box as well. So check that out, guys. Check it out. And that's pretty much it for today. Pretty easy wig look. Throw on and go and you're good. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.